Hi, I'm David Favret, the managing broker for Rêve Realtors, New Orleans. I started in real estate in 2004, and I was in the restaurant business and really thought that I was going to do real estate for myself and for my family, for investments, for flips, those kinds of things. And I saw how the same exact skills from the restaurant business and everything that I was passionate about in service translated directly to real estate. And so it was a bit of an accidental career, but a career born. Probably what I'm most passionate about is the training and the commitment we have to making education top priority. I spend a lot of my time coaching one-on-one, teaching large groups about what's coming next and brainstorming and figuring out best practices and taking input from the agents who are out there in the field and what are you seeing. The things that we're talking about and teaching on is really next level. We don't see that in other brokerages. And so if we get the opportunity to work together, I would love to welcome you to the Rêve family.